And our next challenge is structural engineering with ZomeTool. We have several bridges for you to make, as well as a dome and even a pyramid. So I'm going to make the little bridge with you right now. So I'm going to start out with one small blue ZomeTool, and I'm going to then start my connections. And I'm building the base of the bridge here. And I'm going to make my connections for the base. And I'm following the directions outlined in the packet that we had given you. And the little bridge you can see is right over here. You also have directions for making a pyramid, a dome, and a big bridge. Okay, here is the frame for the bottom portion of the little bridge. Now these bridges that you're making are truss bridges. That means they're going to have triangular supports that help support whatever load is on the bridge. Okay, so there is the basic bottom portion of it, and now we're going to be adding small yellow pieces like this to make the top portion. Now it's very important that you don't force your pieces when you build with this. Okay, so you just look and kind of line up the holes and see what they're asking for. Each of the different things that it instructs you to make will have a parts guideline to show you how many pieces you need, and that will really help you get through the challenge. So now we're going to build the next triangle, and basically you're just following your guide here, seeing what needs to be added in each part. And you can see that our triangles are then going to get connected like so. And now we kind of have what's starting to look like a bridge. So I'm going to turn off the player and keep adding parts to my bridge, and you may go ahead and get yours started. Good luck. Here you see we have one side done of the little bridge, and what shape do you notice the most? You guessed it, triangles. This is a truss bridge. A truss is a triangle. It's a rigid, sturdy, triangular shape, and this one is just loaded with triangles, and for that reason it's going to be nice and sturdy when it's finished. And so that's the truss bridge. And so from there you can go on and try out some other designs. We have, again, the pyramid, the dome, and there's even a large version of this truss bridge. And you have supplies in your bag that should be able to build each one separately. You can't build them all at once. You have to do one at a time and take them apart in between. Speaking of taking apart, when you go to take something apart with ZomeTool, bring your fingers all the way up to the piece. That way it won't break, and then you just carefully pull it. Okay? So, good luck. Can you solve the structural engineering ZomeTool challenges?